Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are again with the Hive Mining OS series, and today we are going to take a look at the Hive OS Ethereum mining pool. So if you don't know already, Hive OS has now its own pool for Ethereum. So basically you go to the main page, then you can go in here where it says Hive On pool, the most profitable mining pool, and basically well, I have done some calculation, as you can see on the coin calculator in here. I've put it 100 mega hash, obviously without energy consumption, and as you can see in here, you can produce up to 0.0082 Ethereum per day. And if you take a look at the Hive On pool, you see that with 100 mega hash, you can produce around 0.0083 Ethereum per day, or in 24 hours with 100 mega hash speed. So basically the good thing about Hive On pool is that you pay no fee in this pool. So basically this is the advantage if you want to mine Ethereum. So basically you pay no fee for mining Ethereum on this pool. So you just set your mining rigs on the pool of Hive OS and you are all done. And basically the procedure to do so, it's really easy. You go to the main page. Obviously you sign in into your account. After you sign in into your account, you go to your farm, open it, and in here you go to the flight sheet, obviously because we need to create a new miner and select in the Hive On pool. So in here you have two options. If you have already created an Ethereum flight sheet with another pool, you obviously go to edit, and on the pool section only you click on the pool and select the Hive On pool. But if you don't want to change that, but you want to create a new flight sheet, then you just go to add new flight sheet in here, select Ethereum, obviously because we need to add an Ethereum address because it is an Ethereum pool. Then you obviously select a wallet which you want to mine. Then you select the Hive On pool, which you are going to find in here. You select the server which is nearest to you, click on apply, then select the preferred miner. Then for the dual coin, if you are mining, then you just hit on create flight sheet, and the flight sheet it's already created. Then you go to your workers, obviously click on your worker, go to the flight sheet, and in here you will find the Ethereum wallet flight sheet that is going to mine all the Hive On pool. After you have selected your Ethereum wallet which is going to mine on the Hive On pool, you just click on the rocket in here, which basically sets the miner to mine on this pool. And basically on the overview in just a minute you will see that that the rig configuration is going to change, and the rig is going to begin mining Ethereum, as you can see in here on Hive On pool on your preferred Ethereum wallet. And to check the status of your mining, you just go to the wallets, obviously, and copy your Ethereum address because we need our Ethereum address as for every pool. Then you go to the main page of Hive OS. Then you go to the Hive On pool, obviously, put your address in here, paste, then click on explore. Obviously you need to give it a little bit of time to get some shares, and then you can check your estimated earnings and your actual earnings. Okay, and as you can see, after a while you begin getting your worker showing on the Ethereum mining pool on the Hive On pool. And as you can see in here, my reported hash rate, which is accurate, one active worker, one worker count because it's only one worker. Obviously you get the graphs showing the speed, and yeah, basically shares, number of workers, and so on. Basically as all the information you need to know as any other pool. Basically that's it for this episode. Hope I was clear. Obviously if you have any question, don't forget and hesitate to ask them. and I will try my best to help you out. And as always, before we go away, please, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing and also turn on post notification and like and share the videos. Okay then, thanks very much for watching and see you on the next one. Bye bye.